Today, I'm sharing 3 simple embroidery stitch hacks to fix and decorate your clothes. 1. Sleeve fix. This frock has sleeves that are 1.5 inches too long. Instead of cutting and stitching again, I tried a simple hand embroidery trick. It worked perfectly, saved time, and made the frock look even better. We're using pearl cotton thread, size 08, and a basic hand embroidery needle. Start by threading the needle and tying a small knot at the end. Hand embroidery is not just creative, it's easy, fun, and anyone can try it. You don't need special tools or training, just a bit of time and imagination. Two, neckline border. Next, let's add a simple embroidery border around the neckline. This small touch gives your dress a whole new look. As a final touch, I'm adding a few small beads to give it an elegant sparkle. Beads are a great way to make your embroidery stand out even more. Three, headband embroidery. Finally, I embroidered on this plain fabric-covered headband, and honestly, the result was more beautiful than I expected. Begin with an invisible stitch. This helps secure the fabric without showing any knots on the surface, giving your work a neat and clean finish. It's a simple trick, but it makes a big difference for a polished look. I'm using 2 strands of pearl cotton thread and working with the sorbello stitch. This decorative stitch is perfect for adding texture and charm. See how it completely transforms the look of this plain old headband. Which one did you like the most? Sleeve fix, neckline, or headband? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more embroidery ideas.